Right, you're
Tell them I'm
filming.
heavier than you.
What?
Tell them I'm heavier than you. I'm heavier than him. Can't you go at the front?
Oh my god, are you?
Yeah. I pretend I'm not, but in a situation like this, I like it.
You don't trust a woman to drive.
Yeah. So is that on now?
Yeah.
So just do that.
Yeah.
Hello, you can let go and then just hang there and it's...
Can I?
Yeah. It's fine. These things are going to hold 2 tons each, so it's not a problem.
I'm 2.1 ton.
Are you? Well, it's got 2, so it's right. So, listen, just sit down a bit here somewhere. Yep. We're going to land these down. And then we'll call you over.
And we're not all squashed.
Let go then so you get on.
There is.
Stand up, sit down. Don't know if you can see us. I think they can see us from here.
Oh, come on, Louise. Go on, Louise.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it there.
It's like I'm steering it.
No. Because it pulls it down from there.
You hold this strap, yes?
Can you
Only hold this strap.
steer from here?
Okay.
Walk to the end, yes?
Yeah.
Walk.
Yeah.
Ready?
Walk. Bye bye.
Bye!
Come on, Louise, on camera.
Woohoo! We're flying!
Howdy. Just get the views. That's it first.
Yeah. I'm like a bird, I'll only fly away.
Sure you got pointing in front of you.
Yeah, and start freaking screaming. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh. Son of a bitch.
Nuts.
Son of a bitch. tell me that's it.
Yeah. Who said? 3 miles you do. He's filming us now as well.
Yeah, my vagina's split in two.
We'll get to walk. Which way is he going? Which way is he going?
Look at his arms. Mick? What? Oh shit! Crash landing.
Was it crash landing? What did
I panicked. I thought it was a boat landing then with your arms swinging.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you can take a seat in the back corner, we're going to take the harness.
Bloody hell, that hurt, that did. I thought he was going to reverse it.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you very kindly. Cheers.